How to adjust live settings on TikTok Studio iPhone. First, open the TikTok app. Then, tap your profile. If your account meets the requirements for live streaming, then you can see TikTok Studio below your bio on your iPhone. Simply tap it. Then, tap the Live tab at the top of the screen. Next, tap Go Live. Here, you'll see your live setup screen with several options, including Flip, Beautify, Effects, Settings, Service Plus, Fan Club, Interact, and Share. To access your live settings, tap Settings. Here, you can review and adjust the settings available for your live session. You can also use options such as Beautify and Effects to customize your appearance and add effects before starting your stream. You can also choose your streaming method at the bottom, such as device camera, if available on your account. Once everything is ready, tap Go Live to start your TikTok live stream. And that's how you can access and adjust the TikTok live settings on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.